This is why you need to try healthy vegan sausage lasagna. It's a game changer. Let's dive into making this mouth-watering vegan sausage lasagna. First, grab your favorite vegan sausage. We love the spicy kind for an extra kick. Sauté it with some garlic, onions, and bell peppers until it's sizzling and fragrant. Layer it with lasagna noodles, vegan ricotta, and marinara sauce. Don't forget those fresh spinach leaves for a boost of greens. Bake at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes until it's bubbling and golden. And there you have it, a hearty, nutritious meal in no time. Packed with plant-based protein and veggies, this lasagna is pure comfort without the guilt. So, are you ready to impress your taste buds and your friends? Give it a try and let us know how it goes. For more yummy recipes, hit that like and subscribe to Clean Eats Cove.